What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you top 3 niches to make money with affiliate marketing in 2019. I'm also going to share a few tips on how to get involved in those niches and how to find offers to promote. So all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so we're going to have a look at the top 3 niches. These are actually the most profitable niches to make money with affiliate marketing as well. And as I said, I'm also going to share a few tips on how to get involved in those niches and of course how to find offers there. So make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so really simple. You might have seen those niches, you might have heard about them as well. And basically it is really simple. I always get the questions on what niche I should get involved in, and that is what we're going to have a look at today here. It reminds me basically of the days when I got started on what niche I should get involved in, and I used to overcomplicate this. So it's really simple. We're going to have a look at everything right here now. So the first niche that we want to have a look at is the health, okay? Health, and let's also include the fitness, the health and fitness. So let's see here, let's make it a little bit bigger. There. This is one of the most popular niches to get involved in. Really simple because what you do basically here as an affiliate marketer, or if you're a product creator, you fill in a need, okay? So my need, for example, I want to improve my fitness. I want to lose weight. That is a need, okay? I'm fat and I want to lose weight. That is a need, and that's where you can come in and fill that need, okay? So you have the solution to provide there. So that is why health and fitness is one of these 3 popular niches here. So health and fitness, we can have a look at Clickbank here, which is one of the largest affiliate network. You can see here it is a category on its own, health and fitness. So if I just click here, you can clearly see flat belly fix, lean belly breakthrough, Organifi, this is about green juices, the Venus factor. These are the most popular products here. Back to life with new funnel. Red tea detox, also for weight loss, stop fat storage, underground fat loss. So you can see that most of this is about actually the fat loss here, okay? Diabetes remedy, this is also about fat loss as well. So I can just estimate and assume that this is probably something with keto diet to do also, maybe. Not sure, but anyway. So you can see here that it is very, very popular, okay? If we go to the offervault.com and we type in health, for example, let's see here, you can see here that there is tons of products to promote except for fat loss as well, okay? We have keto here, we have this one, you can see for $500, mesothelioma. We have Nutri-System, $110 in commissions. So basically what you need to do, and keep in mind how you should get involved in the health and fitness. Now health and fitness is definitely too broad, okay? So if you just say I'm going to be involved in anything that has to do with health and fitness, it's definitely too broad. It's going to be too much competition, so you will find it very, very hard to get into the market. What you need to do is you will narrow this down and you will need to be more specialized in something here. So what you need to do is you need to go, for example, let's say we found something that is very, very popular right now. Let's see here, is the keto. Okay, this is very popular. So now we have narrowed it down to the keto diet. Okay, so if I go back here to the Clickbank marketplace and I type just keto, you will find some other products that you can promote here with less competition also, okay? This is something really cool that you could get started with. Let's see here, 30-day Keto Revolution Challenge, for example. $9 in commission, so this probably sells for $17 or something like that, which is really simple and cheap, so it will definitely be much easier for you to promote it as well, okay? But it makes us more specialized in something. So when someone wants to learn anything about keto, they will come to you. I don't know what kind of traffic you're going to have there. If you're going to have your own blog, you should write about keto diet, okay? If you're going to do videos, you should talk about keto. So you can be more narrowed and work with the keto niche only, okay? So that is how you work with the health and fitness. It doesn't have to be keto, of course, it can be anything else here, okay? If you want to go for let's say, for example, fit over 40, there is also products for that. I think if I just type in here fit over 40, so let's say that you see there is transformation. I can't remember, but there is tons of products for over 40 for those who wants to lose weight actually. So the same goes here. You can do a research, but make sure you narrow down. So this is how you get involved in the health and fitness. And of course the other big categories that we're going to have a look at here also. Now, let me just see here. We can also go for, of course, Amazon. Okay, so you can be an affiliate for Amazon. And here are also definitely, if we just type in health, let me see here, fitness. You can see here you can promote anything from fitness trackers, fitness journal, fitness ball, books or whatever, okay? So it could be a good idea to specialize here also. Let's say, for example, that you want to specialize in fitness trackers. Make sure that you sell your expertise there, pre-sell them, and how and where they can find it, of course, for the cheapest price. So if you do it, for example, in a video, you talk about the 4 or 5 fitness trackers, you do a comparison, and then you say, if you're interested to find it in the lowest price, you find a link below here, and so on. Okay, so that is how it works to promote on Amazon. Works pretty much the same as, of course, digital products. So if you want to go for the keto, you can actually, let's say, for example, that you want to promote Beginner's Guide to the Ketogenic Diet. Okay, so buy this book because or video, this is a video, probably Prime Video here, and so on. This is a bestseller, so you could say that if you want a hard copy book about the keto and recipes, I used this and so on. Okay, there's tons of variations actually you can get started with. So that is about the health and fitness. Now, the next thing, the second largest is wealth, okay? And wealth, it goes the same here. It can be about making money, it can be about investing, forex, and so on. So you can see here, if you go to the business and investing, if we start up with the top here, it is a forex product, and you can make $104 in commission. We have, there is probably the most of them are forex here and Bitcoin, I can guess. So this is about forex. So the same goes here. If I just type in wealth, it's probably going to leave us a lot of results in overall broad, okay? But you can see here and get an idea. So you could specialize in Bitcoin, for example. I'm just taking an example here, so don't say that Bitcoin is not profitable these days. I know it goes up and down, but look at this. You can make $600 in commission here for Bitcoin products. So let's say that you specialized in Bitcoins, then you have to focus on that only. So the same goes here. Let's say that we want to focus on Bitcoin. So you need to narrow down the niche here, but I hope you get the idea. So if you're struggling and you're getting started here, type in wealth and get your ideas. You can get it from here, from Offervault. So this was a good example. Oh, Bitcoin. I know about Bitcoin. So you can get started and focus on Bitcoin only here. Or if you already know what your expertise are in, you can just type Bitcoin and you will get tons of Bitcoin products, so you can get an idea and have a look at those sites also to get an idea on how to promote these offers also. The same goes here about wealth. We can just type Bitcoin. You can recommend, of course, probably hard copy books mainly here. So I hope you get the idea here. So you can definitely do promotion for all these networks if you're specialized in Bitcoin. Let's say you have a blog about Bitcoin. So one thing you can do is create an article and say, I read this book, it's hard copy, this is the one, it's good, and so on. So I hope you get the point here. It doesn't mean that you should go in the investment only. You could actually go for, let's say, the e-business and e-marketing, the affiliate marketing. You see here Bulletproof. We have the super affiliate system with John Crestani. This is a high ticket product, very good product. Goes for I think $9.95, and you make $466 in commission. And there is, of course, other products here to promote also. But they are all wealth related. And the need here, we feel, is that we need to have a better wealth, okay? We need to invest. It can be real estate investing, it can be Bitcoin, money, make money online, and so on. And lastly, the third niche that we are going to have a look at is also something where we're going to fill in a need, and we are talking about dating or relationships in overall, okay? Because this is something also that is a big need that we need and we are searching for all the time actually. So the same goes here. We can have a look at here. We're talking about self-help, of course. So you can have a look at the self-help. So if I just go to the top here, his secret obsession. Look at this. Incredible conversions for female cold traffic. Okay. This is probably has to do something with learning about how to obsess the man. Let's scroll down. The X Factor guide. This has been very, very popular for many years now. How to get your ex back. Okay, works for both men and women. So definitely very popular niche to get involved in also. The same goes here. Attract men and women. You can see here it can be a pickup or something like that. Mend the marriage. You see. Water freedom system, I don't know what this is. So if I just had a look at those 10 products here, I could definitely get an idea on where to narrow it down. So you can narrow it down for, let's see here, get your ex back. Okay, perfect niche to get involved in, and it's definitely not so much competition. Because if I go to the dating and relationships in overall, it's going to be really tough to get involved in that niche. And we can just have a look here, dating. Okay, let's type dating. Look at this, tons of products to promote here also. So we can get some ideas here on how we can narrow it down, okay? And even if I type relationships, I can just estimate that I will probably, there you have it. So you can get a few ideas here, okay? BB to date. I think that these are probably dating. Yeah, dating international, dating adult. You can see here you can make $80, $140, $160. So really there are no limits, okay? But these are good ideas to get, so you can get an idea on how to narrow down one of those three niches. The same goes, of course, with Amazon. So if I just go to relationships, probably it's going to get us books for the first place. Yes, of course. So there you have it. Okay, there are tons of products here to promote as well, and you can get some good ideas on how to narrow down your niche here also. So there you have it. Those are the three niches. Now, what I would do, what I also always tell people to do is build a list. So what you need to do is you need to create some kind of a squeeze page, an opt-in page, where you have something to offer in exchange for the email address. Okay, so you want to build a list, really simple, because I'm sorry, I got an email yesterday, and there was someone who asked me, how can I get involved in Start to Make Money Online without having my own website? Well, I told him that there is tons of methods that you can get started, but if you're interested in building a full-time passive income, if you want to build a real online business, you want to build an email list, because you will spend tons of time, energy and money on getting traffic. And if you just send them straight to the offer, you will lose them if they don't want to purchase from the first time. So why not go from all here, go to make a list, and after that they can see your offer. Okay, sure, it might take you a little bit work, but it's definitely going to be worth it in the long run. Okay, and this is exactly the method that I'm talking about. I learned this the hard way on how to build a list. Everyone is talking about the monies in the list, so now I think you know why also. So that is a good tip, and if you're interested, as I said, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link that I have in my description below here. Alright, that's it about top 3 niches to make money as an affiliate marketer in 2019. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. You're going to find an end screen here real soon. Don't leave yet. You're going to find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are related to make money online, work from home and internet marketing related tips. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're also going to find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.